My name is Sivai Kaswani. I am a doctor. God, I hospital. Actually, save life. He take care of us. He present and he gave medicine and gesture. Doctor, I like